Well done, folks. Our base geometry is done. A big milestone we can cross from our list. Right now it looks like a plain sheet of paper wrapped around. This is where the fun begins. We will sculpt the gorgeous details. Finally, we'll paint the colors to bring it to life. One little problem. We need to scan this thing into our painting app somehow. But how do we do that? One solution is take it out to your front yard, drive your truck over it, insert the flatten format into your printer, print out the details, and inflate back the mesh. However, I think the mixture is too fragile at this point, so a better technique would be the Uvwnrap, which we'll talk about in this section.